Hello, I'm Mrs. Jim. You're welcome to the classroom. Our topic today is open sentence subtraction. In a previous class, we did open sentence addition. Today, we'll learn how to solve open sentence subtraction. So, we'll be going over to the first example. So, our first example is this empty box, which is open, minus 3. The answer is 5. How do we know what it should be here? How do we find out what should be here? You can see this place is open, it's empty. There's nothing here. This is actually open sentence subtraction, minus. So to do this, you can see that this 3 here has a minus sign in front. Can you see? If it has minus sign in front, we say it is minus 3. The number here does not have any minus sign here. Can you see? And so it will be a plus. Whatever number is here is not a minus but a plus. So to solve this is what we are to do. We still do our empty box. We'll do this is equals to 5. This is minus 3, right? If the minus crosses this equals to sign, we change it to a plus. It might look a little difficult, but as you practice, you get better at it. So, to get what is here, we are going to do 5 plus 3. So, let's make our 5 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make our 3 stroke. 1, 2, 3. Because this is plus, we are going to add everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means that the answer here is 8, which means 8 minus 3 will give us 5. Let's take another example so that you can understand it. Let's take our second example. It will help you to understand how to solve open sentence subtraction. Our next example is an open box, minus 5 is equals to 0. We are going to rearrange it again. We'll bring this open box and we'll do it this way. We take this equals to and 0, we'll put it here, equals to 0. Remember what I said when we did the first example? Because this is minus 5, it has a minus sign in front. There's a minus sign, this is minus sign in front of the number 5. When it crosses this sign, we change it to plus, so it becomes plus 5. Do you understand it? This is a minus sign. Can you see? And this is 5. This 5 is minus 5. It's not just 5. It's called minus 5. Whatever number is here does not have a minus sign in front. So it is a plus. Whatever number here that is here is a plus, not a minus. So when the minus sign crosses this equals to sign, it becomes a plus. So we now have 0 plus 5. You know we want to solve what is in this box. If you have 0 apples and someone gives you 5 apples, how many apples do you have? You have 5. You have nothing and they give you something, you have 5. So the answer here will be 5. Which means 5, you take away 5, will give you 0, isn't it? If you have 5 apples and you give out all 5 apples to 5 of your friends, you will be left with nothing, and that's 0. Let's take our last example. This is our last example. We have 8 minus, we have an empty box is equals to 5. Can you see? Whatever number here that is here has a minus sign, so it's a minus. This is 8. It has no minus sign, so it means it is a plus. Remember that I said if it's minus, if it's crossing this equals to sign, it becomes a plus. If it's a plus and it's crossing the equals to sign, it becomes a minus. If it's a minus and it's crossing this equals to sign, it becomes a plus. So now let's rearrange it. We write our 8. We bring this 5, is crossing this equal. You can see that this 5 has no minus sign, so it is a plus. So because it's crossing to this side, it becomes minus 5 is equals to, we bring down our box here. Do you understand what I did? Let me explain it again. So this is what we are solving. We are solving 8 minus an empty box is equals to 5. What we will take away from 8 to give us 5. To do this, we bring down our 8 here. Can you see? Then we bring this 5. It crosses this equals to sign to come here, and it becomes a minus 5. And then we still bring down our box. So we do our 8 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll take away 5 because this is minus sign now. Minus means take away, remove, subtract. So let's take away 5 from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have taken away 5. Let's see how many we are left with. 1, 2, 3. So it means that 8 minus 5 is 3. It means that 8 take away 3, which is our answer here, will give us 5. Remember that I said if it has a minus sign, when it crosses the equals to sign, it becomes a plus. If it's a plus and it crosses the equals to sign, it becomes a minus. If you do this, you get your answers correctly. Practice and you get better at it. See you in the next class.